Good morning, samahan niyo ako balikan natin ang history of Bato, Camarines Sur, Philippines. Bato, located in Camarines Sur in the Bicol Region, has a rich history that dates back to the pre-colonial era when it was inhabited by indigenous Bicolano communities. The town's name is believed to be derived from the Bicol word bato, meaning stone, possibly referencing the rocky terrain in the area. During the Spanish colonial period, Bato became part of the Camarines province and was influenced by the Catholic Church, with the St. John the Baptist Parish Church established during this time. The town, like much of the Philippines, was affected by World War II and during Japanese occupation. After the war, Bato continued to grow, with agriculture, particularly rice and coconut farming, being the main economic activity. Today, Bato is known for its agricultural industry and natural attractions, such as the Bato River, and remains a key municipality in the region. Abangan ang iba pang update.